So after a full rebuild on the original engine, because the spare one I got out of the wrecked bike locked up after about 10 minutes of running it. Yeah, it's kind of hard to trust used stuff, especially if you're not really certain of the internals and never heard it run. But it seemed okay, but this one here needed a bit of work. The cylinders, had to change those out because the piston was totally frozen to the cylinder wall on number 4, because the mice actually decided that they were going to, make a house out of the old intakes. So, long story is, it took a while to get this going, and after some card tuning, discovering that it seems like the pilot jets, which are 15s, that's stock, seemed a little bit more on the lean side, because I had to back out the mixture addressing screws 6 turns out to get it to run well enough so I can somewhat tune it. I'm going to upgrade those to 15s. That's hopefully going to compensate for the free-flowing Kerker exhaust on it. And they do have the airbox with a K&N air filter, so hopefully that will complement it. It's off idle, a little lean. It will rev, just doesn't sound as clean as what it should be doing. But this been a long time coming, getting this one going. Had this for quite a few years, and obviously with several builds that I've done over the years, this one here is pretty neat. Fazer 700, this configuration of the engine is still 700 cc's. I got a 989 build that's literally waiting in the wings, so I can make this a quote-unquote 1000 cc bike. So it's been a fun project so far, considering that still have the time to do this stuff. But long story is that it's good therapy. Hope you like it.